Hey there, young nature enthusiasts! Get ready to spread your wings and soar into the colourful world of the Yellow Warbler, a tiny bird with a big personality and loads of fun facts to share. Join us on our adventure as we uncover fascinating tidbits about this cheerful feathered friend. From its bright yellow feathers to its catchy song, there's so much to learn and explore about the amazing Yellow Warbler. Did you know that the Yellow Warbler is like a burst of sunshine in the forest? Its vibrant yellow feathers make it easy to spot as it flits from branch to branch, spreading joy wherever it goes. And speaking of joy, wait until you hear its cheerful song. It's like a melody that brightens up even the gloomiest of days. But that's not all. Yellow warblers are also expert nest builders. They use grass, twigs, and even spider webs to create cozy homes for their eggs. And when the chicks hatch, it's feeding time frenzy as Mom and Dad Yellow Warblers take turns bringing tasty treats to their hungry babies. So, if you're ready for an adventure filled with sunshine, song, and fascinating facts, then join us as we explore the wonderful world of the Yellow Warbler. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our flock for more fun bird videos. Burst of sunshine. The Yellow Warbler is aptly named for its bright yellow plumage, which resembles a ray of sunshine in the forest. With its sunny disposition and vibrant colours, spotting a yellow warbler is like finding a treasure amidst the greenery. Melodic songbird. Yellow warblers are renowned for their melodious songs, which echo through the trees during the spring and summer months. Their cheerful tunes, often described as sweet, 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 I'm so sweet, add a delightful soundtrack to nature's symphony. Nesting wonders. When it comes to building nests, yellow warblers are true architects. They intricately weave together grass, twigs, and even spider webs to create cozy homes for their eggs. These nests are often hidden away in the dense foliage to keep them safe from predators. Family matters. Yellow warblers are devoted parents, sharing the responsibilities of incubating eggs and feeding their chicks. Both Mom and Dad take turns bringing tasty treats, such as insects and caterpillars, to their hungry offspring, ensuring they grow up strong and healthy. Migratory marvels. While yellow warblers spend the summer breeding season in North America, they embark on an incredible journey southward for the winter. Some travel as far as Central and South America, braving long distances to find warmer climates and abundant food sources. So, there you have it, 5 fun facts about the yellow warbler that showcase its beauty, charm, and remarkable behaviors. Join us in celebrating this delightful little bird and the wonders of the natural world. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting updates about wildlife. Until we meet again next time, take care and bye.